Alright guys, got southbound. Got a grain train. Alright, grain train heading on the probably heading like either somewhere like in West Virginia or Kentucky. This train will definitely have to go on the CSX Northern subdivision to get down to either West Virginia or Kentucky. Alright guys, did not get the symbol for this grain train. So, if you know the CSX train symbol and the CSX train destination for the grain train in this train video, please comment on all that in the comment section in this train video, okay? Bye, and that's all for now.